First, we need to assemble. Bulldozer. We did it! Filling. Bulldozer. Pump. Keep it up. Let's clean the work area. Let's wash. Bulldozer. Hooray! We have to assemble. Drop side truck. Amazing! Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Let's build the brick kiln. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. We did it! You're doing really great.
To make a new video, so please subscribe, whatever.